Hello YouTube. So today I will show you how to disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 10, 8, and 8.1. So let's get started. Step 1. First of all, click on Start, and then click on this power icon. Step 2. Now press Shift button and hold it. Now click on Restart. Your PC will take a while to load the menu. Here it is. Now from the three options above, click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Now on Startup Settings. Then click on the Restart button. Here you see the startup settings. Press 7 key from your keyboard. And that's it. You have disabled driver signature enforcement on your PC. Thanks for watching TechWiki's YouTube channel.